guess ready? Because I am. But I have to admit, they got me, y'all. They got me. I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. So, it's here. We fixing to get into it. Now I'm telling you, Temu, don't judge my knife. Temu is the baby that Amazon and Shein would have. And whoever that child is, they're gonna be rich. Cause I mean, it's the best of both worlds. You know, unnecessary junk, cheap junk. Well, is that really junk at this point? I don't think so. Because it's mostly useful. But like I said, if Amazon and Shein had a baby, it'd be Temu. So they got me now. So we gonna get into it and see. We got a little of everything. I was kind of scared to try some stuff like makeup stuff. I don't really know if I want to test those waters. But maybe. You never know. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. I don't think I want that one ain't for y'all. Let's see. Okay. So let's start off with these little wrist straps. I got these so that when I'm washing my face, you know, when you wash your face and you got the water running all down. So I got these to prevent that. So these were like less than $1, you know. And I have the little headband, the little furry headband to keep it from going in my hair. I mean, I got braids now, so it really won't matter. But I'm excited for these. I am excited. Yes, I am. All right, let's see. Oh, I think these are some sunglasses because I ordered some sunglasses because I needed some. I broke mine in Jamaica and we just started having sun again, so I needed some new ones. Plus I kind of have an addiction. I don't want to say addiction, but I have a thing about like sunglasses. Eyewear. That's what I'm saying. Oh, it is some sunglasses. All right. Here. Oh, these are cute. They feel like exactly how much I paid for them. They were only like $2. What do we like? Do we like? I like these. These are cute. You know, these can go in the glove compartment. They're cute. I also have some prescription glasses that I got from Zeal, however you say it, that are very similar to these. But these are cute though. All right. Next. Oh, okay. So next, I got these little. Did I get 2 of these? Yeah. I got 2 of the refillable hand sanitizer sprays. But I think you could probably put anything in here. But yes, I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna keep one probably in my purse, and then one in the car, or maybe I'll give the other one to my daughter. Let's see how I like her. All right. Oh, so my dog needed a new harness because I don't like the collar, and it's a little too big. She is a strong dog, so she needed something different, and I like these better. All right, so as I was saying, this, I just hope that it fits her because she a big girl. We have a boxer. And I just thought this would be so cute because we have like a pink leash. And I just thought this would be so cute. So hopefully it holds up. I'll let y'all know if it don't. All right, so there's that. And then I also got this. Now, I have said this before. I suck at putting on eyelashes. I do. It's a known fact. You know what I mean? So I'm always looking for ways to help. And I found this little, okay, yeah, it was like 30 cents. So I don't even know why I was tripping like that. But yeah, so it has like the little curve. You put the little lashes in too. Oh, this is soft, so that's good. And then you put it on. And then hopefully it helps. So this way, I won't be looking crazy, and my daughter and my sister won't be making fun of me because I give up after trying to put them on, and then I don't come out the house with the lashes I said I was gonna wear. So we're gonna try it, and I'll let you know. So yeah, so there's that. It was like $1, if that. Let's see, and I did get some clothes. Oh no, we gonna see. So yeah, so this, I needed a black shirt to go with the skirt that I was gonna wear, and I wanted a turtleneck. And so this is like a little mock turtleneck. It's the typical like sheen kind of polyester type material. So really no shape or nothing, just a black shirt. It's a mock turtleneck. There we go. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it fits. I ain't trying on nothing for y'all. This ain't that kind of channel. So don't ask. All right. And then, is this the same one? Because I wanted a white one as well. Granted, the clothing is a little bit more, but you know, it's still Shein prices. If you know, you know. So yeah, so I got a white one with a little collar. Oh look. Oh. Yeah, the tag is looking real Sheinish. You know, if you know, you know. So yeah, so there's that. And I got another shirt. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. My sisters would totally roast me now because they say I'm always buying stuff that I don't know what I ordered, and then it comes and I'll be like, oh, I'm surprised. Well, let's see what this is, because I didn't think I got another white shirt, but I guess I did. It's got a white t-shirt. Now this is cute. Now this one feels like Gap has some of the best t-shirts, like the best t-shirts ever, especially the luxury tees. They are the best. And this is giving me Gap t-shirt vibe. It looks like it might be a little too big, which is my dilemma nowadays. But yeah, so I'm definitely not mad at this. Maybe I can wash and try it and it will shrink. We'll see. Okay, so here's another shirt. And I'm into different things now. You know what I mean? And I like to dress up. And I like to be a little different. And this, honey, I feel is different. Plus, I got some shoes to match with some black pants and some black and white polka dot shoes. Baby, she gonna be strutting. Y'all gonna be hating. But it's cool because I'm gonna be cute. Oh, okay. And has this little... Well, I don't really know how I'm supposed to put it on, but maybe I'll take pictures and post them. I don't know, but I'm excited for this one. So let's see. All right, up next. Oh, this is that dress. I'll insert pictures of what everything's supposed to look like. Because, like I said, I ain't trying on it. This ain't that kind of channel. All right, but yeah, oh, that's the bottom. Chic Me, I feel like I've seen that website before. Chic Me, I don't know, but that's the tag on it. But yeah, but here's the print. It's a long maxi dress. Now this one I'm excited about. This would be cute for a little brunch. So my brunch girly, stand up. Where we eating? I love me some French toast. All right, what else we got here? Oh, more sunglasses. So as of late, green has been like my favorite color. Like I have loving green, but I feel like it's transitioning to, well, in my home decor, it's like blue. But personally for me to wear, it's been green. So comes in a little case like this, and these sunglasses were like $203. So they not Gucci, they not Fendi, but even sometimes then, I don't know why people spend $400 on sunglasses. Like I don't got it in me, and then they be real cheap, and then if they fall, they break. I need some Kevlar type sunglasses for $400, for $400, right? But yeah. These are cute. see, let's try them on. Do we love? Oh, this is cute. I like these. They're cute. But again, it was like $2 and they feel every bit of it. But I mean, they're sunglasses. Like, for $2, I can't be mad as long as they block the sun. All right. Next up, we have a comb cleaner. Now, I have a question. For the girlies who grew up like me, how you clean your brush and your comb? Like, I never knew that there was like, is there a proper way to do it? Like, does anybody have like Barbicide just laying around in their bathroom? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm okay with that. But we would just take the comb and like rake it through the brush to like get all the hair and all the, break up all that stuff. And then get the soap, the shampoo, and then clean it out, right? That's how I do it. That's how I still do it. And then I saw this. I don't exactly know what this is for, but I saw this. So, and it does the same thing. So you just comb out the brush hairs, and then you can use this to probably, you know, use this side to like clean off the bristles and then clean your comb after you use that. But I don't know, I feel like this would be useful. So we'll see. It was $1. I couldn't help it. But it is pretty handy because, you know, you should be, I don't know how often you clean them, but you know, I clean mine kind of often because edge control, gel, all that stuff gets caught in it, and it's kind of gross. So, yeah. All right, up next, oh, it's another dress. And this one is all white. I promise y'all, sometime I'll be on my Lisa Ray with the white. Like, I got an all white sweatsuit, and I love that sweatsuit. But it's kind of like the, not the like cotton jersey type. It's a little fancier. You know what I mean? Like, if I throw on some clear heels, it'd be real cute. But yeah, so I love good white outfit. And here, it's just a simple white dress. Oh, okay. It's giving, the collar is giving weight in the water. But yeah, it's another maxi dress because I am not short. So I do like a good maxi dress, not the maxi dresses that, you know, the 5'3" and 5'5" girls be wearing and be like, oh my God, it's so long. And then I get it and the length come up to the top of my calves. That's not a maxi dress. I'm sorry. I'm like 5'11". So we're gonna see. It's all about the length for me. Next up, what is this? Oh, I remember. This is like one of those privacy things. So, you know, if you like throw your mail away, or if you don't burn it or shred it, or if you have documents that you need to like maybe fax or like scan to email somebody, you could use this. I feel like this video is going to be real ASMR. But yeah, you would use this to like block out all the sensitive information. So that would be really handy. Especially for me, since I work in real estate and sometimes I have to print like personal information. So, but I usually shred it like 3 times before I throw it away. So your information is safe with me. Check the description box below if you want to buy a house or if you want to sell a house. Yes. All right. So these are, what is this? Oh, this seems like this could go on an episode of what I ordered versus what I got. So I have a dog and she sheds. She's a boxer. She sheds. And so sometimes there's hair all over the place. Okay, so sometimes she sheds. And so when we wash our clothes, like her hair will be like all in our, it'll just be on our clothes. Or sometimes when my husband is on a job, there's a dog in where he's working, and sometimes he'll come home with dog hair on his clothes. So I bought these, And you're supposed to be able to put these in your washing machine, and it's supposed to rub up against your clothes and like remove all the hair. So, yo, oh, I got 2 of them. I got 2 of them. I don't really know if that's gonna work with these, because one I think is supposed to go in the washing machine, and the other one is supposed to go in the dryer. Now, if you have a dog and they shit, and you are not using the Downy, I think it's Downy, or the Bounce pet hair remover fabric sheets, you're doing it wrong. That stuff works great. It works great. Oh, there's more stuff in here. I think this is another pair of sunglasses, because I think I ordered like 3. Yep, it's another pair of sunglasses. So yeah, I'll let y'all know how these work. Oh, these are the pink ones. These were so cute. And they've got a slight tint on them. Ooh, but child, they feel like they came out the Gumball Machine. But these was real cute. I can get with these. Y'all like these? Yeah. I like these. These are real cute. Real cute. Real pink. Real cheap too. Yeah, I think these ones, all of the sunglasses, most of the stuff I got was like under, outside of the clothes and the dog harness, everything was like under $3. Just saying. So yeah. But so far, I don't think it was a scam. I think they have a real hodgepodge of things on their website at ridiculous prices, which is why they're attractive. Like, you can get some cute stuff. Like, these are cute. They're $1. Some people might charge you $10. You go to the beauty supply store and they'll be like $10, maybe $5, depending on the store you go to. These, $1. Because you know who it's modeled after. You go to Ulta and they're like $10 for some hand sanitizer. Child, I can go to Dollar Tree, get a 3-pack for $1. Well, it's $1.25 now, but still, you know. And this one I could just fill up by myself all the time. I mean, we still have sanitizer from, you know, the COVID area when we weren't going outside, and if you dared breathe outside, you had to have hand sanitizer and gloves. So $1, and I could refill this, versus $10 and it's done and it's in the trash. I'm cool with that. So yeah, so I don't think the site is a scam. They do not be playing about their credits though, because I got a $5 credit because it took too long to ship, and then because it didn't get delivered the day they said it was supposed to get delivered, they gave me another $5 credit. So I got $10 to spend, y'all. Come, me money bags. What we gonna get now? So I'm gonna try some more stuff. I'll let y'all know how the clothes fit, and if I dare try the makeup, I don't know. I've seen some reviews on it already, and people are like, yeah, it's the same quality. But I'm real particular. Some might even say bougie, and I'm okay with that. But you know, I don't want to just put anything on my face. But maybe I'll be adventurous and try. I don't know. But this was fun, guys. I was super excited to unbox this with you guys, and maybe there will be future ones. But yeah. So let me know if you've tried Temu, and if you will try Temu, and what you thought about the stuff I got. All right. So have a wonderful day, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.